Patanjali Yoga Sutra, 5 Modification of Chitta, Chapter 1, verses 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Pratyaksha Anumana Agamaha Pramanani. So there are 5 mental modification. One is called Pramana, direct perception. Viparyaya means illusion. Vikalpa means delusion. Nidra means deep sleep. Smriti means memory. Definition of Pramana or direct perception is use Pratyaksha, means you see, hear, taste, touch with your senses and mind, that is Pratyaksha. Anumani means inference. You know by inference. There is smoke, you know there is fire. By inference we know some of the truth. Agamaha is like scriptures or somebody has personal experience. So teaching of spiritual master are considered testimony. That is called first of the wave of Chitta. Second one, Viparya. Viparyayo mithya jnanam atadrubam pratishtham. Viparya means wrong knowledge of the same object. Like you see snake in a rope because of darkness. So that is illusion. Seeing what is not there and not seeing reality is called illusion. Viparya. What is Vikalpa? Shabda Jnana Anupati Vastu Shunyo Vikalpaha. Shabda Jnana, just by some words you create imagination and consider as reality. That means delusion. There is nothing present. Vastu Shunya, there is no subject or object, but you see something, feel something, and that is called delusion or Vikalpa. What is Nidra or sleep? Abhava Pratyaya Lambana Vritti Nidra, where there is no knowledge, like you forget everything, you absorb in the self, no awareness of anything. It's like a deep sleep, slumber state. It is like samadhi, one is drawn in and no knowledge of what is happening. So it is the lower form of samadhi. Everyone goes through all the time during the day. And last one is smriti or memory. Anubhuta Vishaya Sampramoshaha Smriti. Anubhava, whatever we have experienced, its memory is stored and it is recalled called Smriti. So we have a memory in the dream. Dream is recall of all the experiences of the past, and also in daydreaming, even with our eyes open, we can remember the things happened in the past. So these are the 5 kind of distractions of the Chitta. Withdrawing them, what it means is all this Chitta Vritti is either in the past or in the future. So being in the present, coming to the source, and that is the practice of yoga. So you don't go outward, withdraw and get established into the self. That is done by sense withdrawal, pratyahara, dharana means concentration, dhyana means meditation, and samadhi. In samadhi one gets totally absorbed in the self. And then in samadhi, going through 4 kinds of lower samadhi, one attains final samadhi, nirbij samadhi, samadhi without seeds, samadhi without ego. And that state one feels united with higher self, and also one feels united with entire universal consciousness. And that is the ultimate goal of yoga. Jai Bhagwan.